Hey there, welcome to Georgen Cooking. Today we are getting our curry game on with a twist, Japanese chicken and veggies curry in the rice cooker. I'm Georgen, your dietitian. Check out these colorful veggies, carrots, onions, green and red apples, and potatoes. They are just some fridge leftovers, but they are about to be transformed into this delicious Japanese curry. I find that making curry and stew is a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. What do you think? These vibrant vegetables are packed with antioxidants. For example, onion is rich in anthocyanin that is great for anti-aging, and carrot, they are high in beta-carotene that is very important for immune system and taking care of your eyes. And we are also adding apples for a sweet surprise and as a natural thickening boost in our Japanese curry. Are you ready to dive into this veggie-filled delicious Japanese curry? Let's get started! Firstly, what sets this Japanese curry apart is the addition of Kombu, a type of seaweed to enhance its umami taste. Here's the Kombu I'm using. The white powder on it isn't mold, it's actually the umami-rich beets that bring extra flavor. Soak them in water for at least 15 minutes until softened, then set aside. Alright, next peel and chop the vegetables and apples into smaller pieces. You can adjust the size based on your preference. Smaller pieces will melt more easily, thickening the curry, while larger pieces offer a more satisfying texture. It's entirely up to you. Notice we are using both green and red apples. I'm dicing the green apple into cubes, while the red apple gets a special treatment. I'm grating it into applesauce. This enhances its sweetness and acts as a thickening agent, giving the curry a smoother texture. Now onto the Japanese curry cube. Honestly, there's a wide variety available, so feel free to use any. I personally prefer spicy, so I've opted for a high spicy level curry cube. But don't worry, it's still quite mild, if you catch what I meant. And since we're using a rice cooker with minimal stirring, cutting the curry cube into smaller pieces helps it melt evenly and enhances the cooking process. For our protein, we are going with chicken. I have both chicken breast and chicken thigh here. Cut them into smaller pieces and we are all set. You'll notice they are skinless, which helps reduce unhealthy fat intake, making it a healthier choice. Alright, it's time for the easiest part, assembling everything in the rice cooker. First, add all the vegetables. Next, add in the Kombu and its water, about 300 ml of them, followed by the applesauce. Now add the diced chicken breast and thigh. For extra flavor, I'm opting to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, but this step is totally optional. Lastly, add the curry cube. Give everything a good stir to ensure even distribution before we begin cooking. Don't worry if it looks like there is not enough water, the vegetables will release moisture during the cooking process. And now, press the button and start cooking. Once it's done cooking after 30 to 40 minutes, the aroma is already amazing. Open the rice cooker and give it a gentle stir to ensure the flavors are evenly combined. Just look at how beautiful it turned out. Making Japanese curry in a rice cooker is like having your own personal chef at the push of a button. No fuss, no mess, just toss in the ingredients, heat cook, and let the magic happen. Plus, this Japanese curry is perfect for meal prep. Just portion it out, pop it into individual Ziploc bags, and store them in the freezer. When you're ready to eat, simply grab a pack, microwave for 4 to 5 minutes, pair it with rice, noodles, or pasta, and a hearty meal is ready. It's tasting time! This Japanese curry is a flavor-packed delight. It's rich, savory, and perfectly balanced with tender vegetables and succulent chicken. And I officially announced that this is my new comfort food. So give it a try at home and stay healthy and stay happy. Bye!